Okay, good morning student. Geometry, all theorem part we have completed. Now 1.1 also we have completed. Now 1.2 it is on BPT and angle bisector. Topic wise you have to study the maths because in chapter which different topics are there, from every topic they will ask one question. So for each and every topic I am giving you the hint that this type of the question they'll select, this method they will select. Like algebra I have given one word problem, one Cramer rule, one solving by interchanging coefficient and by graph. Like that here from ratio of area of similar triangle, one on basic proportionality theorem, one on angle bisector theorem, like that. So now already we have started. It is given angle bisector MNP seven five two point. This is x. X we have to find out. It is a bisector. It is a parallel that you have to mention. So in triangle MNP, ray NQ is angle bisector of angle N. Therefore, upper divided by lower. Upper I have taken, so this by this, so this by this. If I will take lower by upper, lower by upper. Left side, right side, same rhythm. So upper by lower, upper MQ by QP. So this is 5 by 7. Thus you just mention the name who are making on speaker again and again, who is sharing, who is messaging. I want full details. From tomorrow I will not allow that student. Cross product 5x. Remove. Ducks remove. Remove I said. Remove I said. 5 5s are 25. So cross product. One more speaker is there. 2.5 into 7. 5 goes down. 5 5s are 25. Means 2.5 divided by 5 0.5. 5 sevens are 35 from back side 1. Correct? Maybe your network problem, because here both the network are clear. And without roll number division, you don't give entry. Every day they are troubling. मैडम ने स्ट्रिक्टली ना बोला है, मुझे तो जूम पर ही चाहिए. 3 lines are parallel. AP is 15. PQ 12, CQ 14. This. When three lines are parallel according to the application of BPT, so AB parallel PQ parallel DC given. Therefore, by application of BPT, upper by lower, so AP by PD, BQ, QC, 15, 12, X, 40. We need X. This into this. First, we will cut with 2. So 6 are 7 are. Then with 3. 3 2s are 3 5s are. 5 7s are 35. Divide by 2. 35 half. Unit it is not given, so you can write unit. And X is what? QB. Again, three lines are parallel. AB, CD, EF. Eight, 4, 12, X. Exactly the same. AB, CD, EF given. Therefore, by application of BPT, basic proportionality theorem, first by second, third by fourth, AD, DF, AC, CE, 8 4, 12x, so 8x, 12 into 4. Into 4 divided by 8. 4 2s are 2 6 are. What is X but CE? So angle bisector, BPT, application of BPT. Now ninth one is very good. Mark is very important. This is bisector. X minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, now in triangle ABC, BD is angle bisector of angle B. Upper by lower, same upper by lower. you can take BC by BA, DC by DA, like that. Okay, but both the side same rhythm. X plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 2, cross product, x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 5, x square plus 2x, now this into this, x square plus 5x, this into this, minus 2x minus 10, x into x, x into 5, 2 into x, 2 into 5. Now x square will cancel. So 2x, 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. This 10 goes this side, so sign will change. This 2x comes this side, so sign will change. So finally we have to find out only x, not the value. Suppose you have to find out all the values. So this is 10. This is 10 minus 2 means 8. 10 plus 2 means 12. 10 plus 5 means 15. Now instead of 11th, because 11th is cancelled in last previous syllabus. Okay, 11th or 10th one is very important activity question. Last year what I have experienced, that 2-3 students who were disturbing in starting, so rest of the students are only shouting and they only kick out that student. But here what I have observed, they are supporting those who are doing misbehave. That is a very large difference. बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया मुझे. जो भी वो न्यूसेंस करते थे उसको वो लोग ही किक आउट कर देते, बिकॉज दे वांट टू स्टडी. बट हियर व्हाट आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग, this and this are parallel, QR, this and these are parallel, this we have to prove parallel. So PQ parallel to ED and here QR parallel to EF. Now in this much triangle, this parallel to this, so first by second is equal to third by fourth. So XP PD, XQ Q, XQ QE. In this triangle, this parallel to this, by BPT, first by second, third by fourth. In triangle XED. Now this triangle XEF parallel. So first by second XQ QE, XR RF. You must have seen that first equal to second, and see these and these are equal. Second equal to third. I have written just number for the explanation. You no need to write. First equal to second. Second ratio is equal to third ratio. So directly this comes to this equal. When it is parallel, ratios are equal. When it is parallel, ratios are equal. But when ratios are equal, it is parallel. So now these and these are for this. This divided by this is equal to this divided by this. So now in this triangle, DXF, this we want to by BPT, this is first relation, this is second relation, from that third, from first and second, converse of BPT. What is that? I am explaining again. Here it is parallel, XY parallel to BC. Therefore, AX XB is equal to AY YC. When it is parallel, you can write ratio equal, that is BPT. When one line is parallel to the one side of the triangle, and that two ratios you are writing, that is basic proportionality theorem. But when ratios are equal, here parallel is given, ratio you can write equal. Here ratio is given equal. Both the ratios are equal. Now, when it is parallel, it is equal. When it is equal, it is parallel. So that is converse of BPT. So that is the difference in BPT, converse of BPT. Rahul Yadav, coming, going, what you are doing? So when it is parallel, you can write the ratio equal. When the ratios are equal, you can write these two sides are parallel, one line in the side of the triangle. Parallel given and you are writing equal ratio, that is basic proportionality theorem. When ratio you are finding equal and you are writing two lines are parallel, that is converse of BPT, means reverse of that theorem statement. So this example they have given as a activity. Shall I rub all this? For this week videos, it is under process for download and YouTube uploading and all that. Today or tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow you will get all the videos, because including all till tomorrow I will upload and send all together. This is 75, this is 75, this is x in common, and this is y, this is y. 75, 75, x in both common. So third one is y. I have given third one like that. Okay. In triangle x, y and 75. Sorry, I have not written the name. A, B, C, D, E. Try to get the idea.
90 x, y and z. So x is C, y is A, 75 is B.
In small, x, y and
C, D and 75. C, E.
this you have to write according to the similarity, xx, then yy, then zz. That z1 is 75.
Again, how to write the name? X, Y and rest. C, A, B. Same rhythm. X, Y and 75. C, E, D. So first equal. Angle C congruent to angle C. Common. Angle B. In this angle B. In this angle D. 75. Given.
If two angles of two triangle are equal, then two triangle is said to be similar by AA test, angle test.
Therefore, triangle CAB, similar triangle CED by AA test.
Now
we have to write sides CA, AB, BC. First, second, third, first. CE, ED, DC. These are the sides in proportion of angle. Already you have mentioned. Second, B and D. So C gone, B gone, A. CD gone, E.
sides are in proportion, angles are congruent. Now from that we will solve problem. PQR ABC. Pole and shadow 4-6. Pole and shadow 8x. When sunlight falls on a pole, so it gives a shadow with equal angle.
So in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, Q congruent B. See, when F form, no F,
That is corresponding. F means corresponding, Z means alternate, X means vertically opposite, Y means adjacent, linear. Follow?
so this is corresponding. Corresponding angle, and angle R equal to C, each 90,
Because it is perpendicular, so each 90. So again two angles are congruent, that is why it is similar.
triangle PQR similar triangle ABC by A test. So height by height, PR by AC, base by base.
First time you have taken this triangle first, so this you have to first. Height by height, not base by base. Height by height, base by base. If height by height, base by base. Rhythm. First angle height, second angle height. First angle base, second triangle base.
So that is 4 by 8. 6 by x. 4x is equal to 6 8 are. X is equal to 6 8 by 4. 4 2s are, so it is 12. So this will be 12.
And I think it is given in meter, all the things.
Not given in meter. But what is x, that you have to mention.
Thus, who is doing in and out, in and out, in and out? Board is completely visible, no, Acha, at present. Who is writing board is not visible? Corner to corner, I can see in both the.
Okay. PQ parallel SR given. AR is equal to 5 AP given. AS is equal to 5 AQ given. SR is equal to 5 PQ to prove given. Now proof. In this triangle and in this triangle. This is Z, so this congruent to this XX. This congruent to this Z, so Y, Y. And this is vertically opposite. So Z, Z. How to write? X, Y, Z, Q, P, A. X, Y, Z. SRA. Now, X angle PQA X RSA. Alternate angle. XX written now Y QPA. QPA SRA, alternate angle, vertically opposite, or no need to write, directly you can write AA test, third also you can write, but no need. By AA test, both the triangles are similar. Now QP first, second, second, the third first. QP, PA, AQ. SR, RP. First, second, second, the third P. First, second, second, the third. Now this. PQ SRE. Okay. AR is equal to 5 AP. This is AP. This is equal to 5 AP. AS is equal to 5 AQ. I have substituted this given by two similar triangle by substituting this cancel, this cancel, so 1 by 5 only you will get QR SR by simplifying. Now do the cross product. SR 1 za 5 QR za 5 QR za by cross product. So from parallel line find out which two pair of angle are congruent, and from that by AA test you can write two triangles are similar. Then in and out, students are doing and not listening anything. What to prove? DE dot B CE dot TE quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, then this is congruent to this, and these two are parallel, so this congruent to this, and this is vertically opposite. So first, quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. It is given, correct? So angle A congruent to angle C, opposite angle of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. Third, this congruent to this, but this congruent to this. Angle A congruent to angle EBT. Corresponding angle. Now, if this congruent to this congruent to first congruent to second congruent to third congruent to first. Therefore, angle EBT congruent to angle C from 2 and 3. DEC means this DEC equal to BET by vertically opposite angle. 6. From this and this we can say single double rest BET single double rest CED test. Correct? Now BE ET TB
first, second, the third first. C E E D. From 6. If the triangles are similar, you can write the sides are in proportion. Now, which product you want? You want DE. This you want. You want BE. You want this. So no need of writing this cross product. By cross product, you will get this. So, student, same instruction every day, 10 times I am giving. You are not a primary student. On my floor, there are another 2 teachers are teaching to 3rd standard, 4th standard, yoga, PT and all that according to the instruction students are doing. See, that small kids even can follow the